Hello friends, let's continue with insectivorous plants. Now what are insectivorous plants? There are some plants which trap insect to meet their nitrogen demand. Means you will find insectivorous plants in areas which are deficient in nitrogen. Deficient in nitrogen and nitrates. The soil is deficient in nitrogen and nitrates. So these plants are modified to capture insects and they complete their demand of nitrogen through these insects. So there are some types of plants in which we are going to explain you. The first one is pitcher plant. Here second one is Venus flytrap. And the third one is Bladderwort. See, in pitcher plant, what happened? The lamina is modified into pitcher. The lamina is modified into pitcher, and the apex of the leaf is modified into a lid. When the insect entered in this pitcher, at the bottom, the enzymes released which digest the insect. The enzymes released here digest the insects, from where it takes the nitrate from the insects. Now this pitcher is about 10 to 20 centimeter. Its length is about 10 to 20 centimeter, and the petiole of leaf used to manufacture the food in pitcher plant. Here the apex of the leaf is modified into a limb, and the lamina is modified into pitcher, and the petiole is working as a manufacturing unit. Food is manufactured in petiole. Whenever the insect come in this pitch, come here and sit on the rim of the pitch, the lid get closed like this. The lid get closed and the insect goes inside and it digested through the enzymes released by the pitcher. Mostly this type of plant you will find in pitcher plants. You will find in Garo and Khasi hills of Meghalaya. In the Garo and Khasi hills of Meghalaya. Here the soil is deficient in nitrates. So insects, through the insect protein, the plant convert it into nitrate. The insect protein pitcher plant convert the insect protein into nitrate. And Venus flytrap, what happened? There is some pointed hair like projections are present, and whenever like this, and whenever the insect come inside it trap the insect like this. There is midrib here like this. Here midrib is present here, and whenever the insect come inside it closed like this. And these projections here like projections are present here on those sides like this, and this close it like this. So whenever insect visit the leaf, it closes and trap the insect and digest it through its digestive juices. In Bladderwort, see what happened? The leaf is highly segmented leaves are present here, and these are some segments of the leaves form small bladder-like structures. Small bladder-like structures. Form some small bladder-like structures. These bladders has entry point, but whenever insect go inside it, can't exit. Whenever the insect go inside it, it closed, and the insect is digested in it, and then the plant completes its nitrogen demand through the insect. So these are the three insectivorous plants we explained to you here: pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, and bladder wort. As in some of the plants you have seen, normally the plants reproduce through seeds. This is called sexual reproduction. But in some plants, the plant reproduce through or new plant generate from the vegetative parts of the plant. From the vegetative parts of the plant, like stem, leaves, roots. When the new plant generates or produces from these parts of the plant, this is called vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation. In case of leaves, there are some plants like Bryophyllum and Begonia in which new plant is generated from the leaves. How this happens? Generally what happens in Bryophyllum, if you see the leaf of Bryophyllum, you will find some buds are present on the margin of on the cut of the margin of the plant, and there are some adventitious roots are coming out from here. These are called adventitious roots which come out from here, and these are buds which are already present on the margin of the Bryophyllum leaf. So whenever this leaf come in contact with the moist place or some soil or water, what happens? These buds start growing these adventitious roots, and this bud generate into a new plant. A new plant generate out from here. So Bryophyllum is a plant whose leaves produce adventitious roots, and buds are present on its margin. These adventitious roots grow into new baby plant, and when it grows, it detach from the leaf and grow into a new plant. Now the leaf has finished. Now there are some questions. You try to answer these questions. There are some differences which are important, like taproot system and fibrous root system, difference between simple leaf and compound leaf, difference between alternate, opposite, and whorled venation and whorled arrangement of leaves, and reticulate and parallel venation, and define photosynthesis, define transpiration. And there is one question which is very important. Mostly you will find this question: why do some plants have to trap insects? Why insectivorous plants catch the insects? This is very common questions, mostly asked. So now the first chapter, the leaf, has finished, and next video we will take the next chapter. Okay, thank you.